Understanding the marketplace and where you fit in. So, listen to the television, the radio, internet, social media for advertisements, whether it's a promo or radio imaging or any sort of voice work that you hear. Do you hear any voices that sound similar to yours in age, personality, attitude, pitch, and tone? It's not so much about your voice. When people say you have a great voice, that's really just going to move you into certain products or brands that they would like a certain tone from. It's really personality driven. How do you talk? How do you convey emotions? Are you a fast talker, a slow talker? Are you overly excited? Are you very sarcastic? What are your natural resting emotions that you use in your daily life to communicate with people? These are all part of your personal brand. When it comes to voiceover, you're really putting a barcode on your voice, and you're scanning that sucker and you're leasing it out to companies. So when people say you have a great voice, you should do voiceover, it's really not about that. If a commercial casting person is listening to a bunch of voices, they will say, wow, they have a great voice, a great tone, it sounds nice, but their acting was terrible. That is not going to convince somebody to buy this product or service. Somebody that really takes ownership of their personality, of their brand, and is a convincing storyteller is going to book the job. So you should stop thinking of it as voiceover in this genre and start thinking it more of a brand storyteller or a storyteller in general for most voiceover work, right? Because we're trying to convey thoughts, emotions, and ideas via our voices for brands to market their products or services. So listen to the radio, be objective, have your friends and family help you. Say, can you please listen to the radio or listen to television, and see if there's anybody that sounds like me, even if it's in like the same pitch range, and start taking note of, was it a Subaru? Was it Nike? Was it, what type of things? Was it luxury products? Was it food and beverage? What type of product was it? What type of brand was it that was using something similar to my voice and my personality? Then you'll start defining where you exist in the marketplace.